Installation of metallurgical microscope. Remove the non-magnetic base. Install the objective lens. Install the main unit to the magnetic base. Remove the dust cover and insert the eyepiece into the eyepiece tube. The functions of each component. Eyepiece. Fine focus handwheel. Coarse focus handwheel. Brightness adjustment knob. Brightness indicator light. Objective lens. Non-magnetic base. Magnetic base. Use of metallurgical microscope. Place the microscope on the workpiece to be inspected. Turn on the power switch and adjust the light brightness. Rotate the coarse and fine adjustments to make the image clear. Remove the eyepiece. Install the adapter lens interface. Install the camera device and connect the data cable. Transfer the image to the computer through the camera device to realize on-site metallurgical inspection.